Hey, hey, Brian Sensei here. In this video, we're going to look at how to use the Microsoft Bing Image Creator, which is powered by DALL-E. That's right. You can use this to create custom images based on your commands. Let's check it out. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is open up Microsoft Edge. Okay, so one thing you'll notice here in the Microsoft Edge sidebar is we have a new tool called Image Creator. Let's go ahead and click here to open up the Image Creator task pane. Okay, so right here you'll see a field where you can type in the description of the image you would like created. Below that we have Surprise Me. We can click here to get an example of a description for an image. So this gives you an idea of how to compose your description. As we scroll down below, we're going to see Explore Ideas. These are images that have already been created by others, and if you like them, you can go ahead and click on them, and you can download the image to your computer. Further down below, we will see more examples. And at the very bottom, we'll see the frequently asked questions if you would like to learn more about the image creator. All right, so let's go back up to the top. And now I'm going to type in the description for the image that I would like. So as you know, I have a school called Brian Sensei's School of Rock.
This project is called Rock Band. I'm talking about bands that rock. Led Zeppelin.
And I want to generate an image to use as part of the marketing for the school. So I'm going to type the following: robots playing instruments in a rock band in the style of a cartoon. And we'll go ahead and click create and see what we get. And boom, Shaka Laka. Look at that. We have 4 images generated. I really like all of these, but I think I like this one the most. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one, and you'll notice it will display for me here on the left where I can download the image to my computer, or I can save it in my collections, or I can share it with someone else. Also notice here that your image will download 1024 by 1024 and it will be a JPEG file. All right, so this is fantastic. And if you don't have Microsoft Edge, that's okay. You can still use the image creator. You can use any internet browser. Simply go to bing.com/create. You'll notice here that you have essentially the same interface. You have a field at the top where you can type in the description of the image you would like. Here's the create button, and you also have the surprise me option as well. Down below, you'll see the explore ideas, and here is your creations, where you can get to the images that you have created in the past. Just make sure that you are signed in to the browser or to bing.com so that you can store your creations. All right, and that is how you use the Bing Image Creator. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you'll have fun generating your own custom images. If you liked this video, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification button so you can be notified every time I post new videos. It doesn't cost you anything to do this, and it will help me keep my channel going. Also, if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please let me know by completing the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.